Okay, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to review this Epiphone Les Paul. The name is Epiphone Les Paul 100. So this is the guitar. It's already been refurbished, new string and a low action. So the action is super low. So it's very comfortable to play. Okay, this is the distortion. You the amplifier. This is the amplifier. It's a very small amplifier. Look at the size. It's only about my palm size, but the sound is very powerful. This is the Aroma TG 08. So let us show you the clean sound. This is the clean sound. Clean sound. Now we come to the distortion. Oh no, this is the overdrive. This is the overdrive sound. This is the distortion. Distortion, and here we go to the metal sound. channel for this amplifier Aroma TG8 and also this Epiphone Les Paul 100. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.